Okay, hello everyone. My name is Aditya Bayu Putranto. I am Associate Technical Advisor of Synex Metro Data Indonesia. And today we will learn about how to change access point zone. So why we need to change access point zone? Here is it why. Because if we already connected access point to the controller, we need to change the access point from staging zone to the real zone. So after we change the access point from the staging zone to the real zone, the access point will ready to broadcast SSID, and uh, we are ready to broadcast our rules. And the prerequisite about this activity is the first, we must already install virtual smart zone. The second, the access point already connected to the smart zone. And the third access point zone is already created. And let's go to the access point. Here is the access point. We are going to move from the staging zone to the ruckus zone. So the step is we select the access point and then we move from the staging zone to the ruckus test domain and to ruckus zone. And there is confirmation dialog. Okay. And press yes. And done. The access point is moved from staging zone to the working zone. So we are already moved the access point from the staging zone to the rocket zone, and the next video is about creating the SSID in the rocket zone. And I hope this is informative for you, and thank you for viewing.